Design with Emma, let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Style It My Way. It is hosted by Design with Emma, myself, TheGraceLifeDIYHomeDecort, our co-host, our Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Being Male B, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and Dream with Caroline. And what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be styling a thrift find. So what we're gonna do is a thrift flip. A thrift flip. So for my thrift flip here, what I have is this beautiful vase here. And as you can see, it's silver. And I want it white. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint it white. Then we're gonna put the vase back in. I'm gonna add this salt, which I picked up at Curico in Aruba. We're gonna add this to the bottom of it. And then we're gonna add these beautiful pink flowers that I also picked up at the Goodwill. So we're gonna use the Quick Color all-purpose spray paint. I picked this up at Walmart, okay? So we're not gonna spray the face. All we're gonna spray is the little holder here. And we're gonna do it in a white because where I'm gonna place it, my accessories are white, so we're gonna spray it white. Okay, so we're gonna shake this up, and then I'm gonna spray it. I'll probably spray it a couple of times to make sure it comes out the way I want it. Okay, so I've let this dry. I'm hoping it's dry. It seems to be. So what I'm gonna do, I did go on and wash my flowers. So I picked these up at Goodwill for $3.99. So what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut the tag off of this. We'll separate these and we'll put them in a vase. But I did get them washed up while we was waiting for the paint to dry. Separating these because I don't want them to go in as a bunch. I'm going to put them in separately. They have a nice stems on them. So we're going to cut this other tape off of it. They sure do have them taped good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I've cleaned my vase. So So I'm just gonna drop it here. Drop it down. There we go, we got it in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the crystals in it. We're gonna put some of them in. Maybe we'll wait and put the flowers to put all of them in. So I'm gonna take and clip it, last little clip over here. Then what I wanna do, I just wanna stick my flowers in here. Then what we'll do is come back and stick the rest of put the rest of the crystals in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add the rest of the crystal to it here. And we're gonna put the rest of the flowers in, and then what we'll do, we'll come back with the reveal. And now for the reveal. I'll let you take a look at it. I think it turned out beautifully. I love the white. The white is what I was looking for to paint this. And I wanted the pink, as you can see, to go here with the pink bunny tray and roses and tulips that I have here. So I think it turned out beautifully. You all tell me what you think. The flowers was $3.99 for the bunch at Goodwill. The beautiful vase here, I paid $5.99 for it. I went in and added the salt crystals that I picked up in Aruba. And I just added the beautiful flowers from Goodwill. So this is my Goodwill thrift. I hope I've given you all some ideas today when thrifting at Goodwill and bringing it home and flipping it into what you would like for it to be. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to be a part of Style It My Way. I also want to thank all of the co-hosts who are hosting today. You all make sure you go over and check out their channels. I want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, we could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.